Hi, my name is Nino Sapienza and I'm the sales rep here at Espresso Italia coffee machine. Today I want to show you the new coffee machine, the Phedra Fresh Milk. As you can see, the machine has been already set up and put a cooler next to it where the machine will actually withdraw the milk. First of all, I will make a coffee so you can have a look at the way the machine works. And by the way, the beverage that I choose for this machine are espresso, long black, latte, chai latte using chai tea, cappuccino, hot chocolate, and the machine also can dispense chicken soup, as you can see here, and hot water if you want your cup of tea, just putting a tea bag inside the cup once the water is in. Now I'm going to make a cafe latte. Show you. One of the beauty of this machine is actually the machine will preheat the brew unit before we dispense the coffee. So doing so, as you can see here, what it does, it makes the coffee nice and hot. The lid is coming out. You are, stop the milk. There you are. The perfect cup of coffee is made. You can find more information on www.espressoitalia.com.au.